Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have discussed some part of the paragraphs of life in Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. Students, as you know, the both river, they are originated from the mountainous area. That is why in this area the population and the type of flora, vegetation and fauna found are differ from each other. In mountainous area like Himachal, Uttarakhand, the mountainous areas are there. That is why in that area the coniferous, deodar, those plants which are suitable in cold area, they grow, and in plain area where very less cold is there are continental type of climatic condition is there. In this area, beneath the Uttarakhand, the plain area is there. In this area, the deciduous forests are found which shed their leaves once in a certain season, and also the area where the both river submerges in the sea, the delta area. In that area Sundarban or mangrove plants are found, in which crocodile, one-horned rhinoceros and Bengal tigers, they are found in the delta region. In Assam, one-horned rhinoceros is there, and also the Bengal tiger is there. In Sundarban delta area, different type of plants, different type of crops are grown in this area. Like in Sundarban area or in Bengal, there are 3 crops in a year of rice is grown. These all are the variety of plants and animals in Ganga Brahmaputra area. And also this area is made of alluvial soil. The Ganga plain is made of alluvial soil, and in which rice and wheat is grown, and also different pulses and oil seeds are grown in Ganga basin. And in Brahmaputra basin mostly remain outside of our country, outside of our India, but it enters in Arunachal Pradesh in our country, in mountainous area, and little part is there in Assam, and then it enters into the Bangladesh. But the area mostly where this river is there, the Brahmaputra river is there, that areas are mostly mountainous. Some plain areas are there in Assam where dense forests are found, and different type of animals are found in that area. The Ganga and Brahmaputra river has very big cities on their banks like Allahabad, Banaras, Kanpur. Many big cities are there, and they have population more than 10 lakhs, and the polluted water of this urban area are discharged in the river, and due to that the water of river is polluting day by day. And many other things are there, like in Agra, Taj Mahal is there on the bank of river Yamuna, which is good for tourism, and other in Assam, Kaziranga National Park is there, and also the Arunachal Pradesh have Manas, a wildlife sanctuary. Many wildlife sanctuaries are there. Due to the mangrove forest in Bengal, that area is also good for Bengal tigers. They are protected there, and this plain area of Ganga and Brahmaputra, it is good connected by roadways, railways and waterways. From Haldia to Allahabad, Prayagraj, there is a waterway, and you can see the ship and boats in river Ganga carrying things from one place to another place.